Your phone is about to be useless. Tired of staring at screens all day, frustrated about how disconnected social media feels from real life? Well, that's about to change big time. Remember when smartphones seemed unnecessary? Now we can't function without them. AR glasses are the next step, and they're gonna change social media forever. Imagine this, your social media feed floating right in front of your eyes. Instead of scrolling, you see posts appear in your environment hands free. Now let's get into three game changing secrets that will reshape how we interact online. Secret number one, social media will blend into reality. Forget staring at a phone screen. With AR glasses, your world's become your social media feed. You'll walk past a restaurant and see live reviews hovering above it. You'll look at someone's sneakers and their Instagram tag pops up. Even influencers, they could literally stand beside you in AR, interacting in real time like holograms. Secret number two, content creation will be hands free. You won't need a phone to create content anymore. Just look, speak, and post. Recording videos, taking photos, and even live streaming. It's all done through your glasses with simple voice commands or gestures. Think TikTok, but without ever holding a phone. Filters, edits, captions, all appearing in real time as you see them. Secret number three, augmented reality will replace ads. Instead of scrolling past ads, you will see virtual billboards in real locations. Discounts will pop up when you pass. Discounts will pop up when you walk past a store. Your feed will be part of the world, not locked behind a screen. This isn't some future fantasy. It's happening right now. Companies investing early will dominate. And if you're a creator, this is your chance to get ahead. So, are you ready for the future of social media? Don't get left behind. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the game.